A mother kestrel returned from hunting with a live baby bird clutched in her talons. She dropped the squirming prey into the nest, intending to teach her young chick how to handle its meal. The baby kestrel, eager but inexperienced, approached the struggling bird but hesitated. Its lack of skill allowed the baby bird to seize an opportunity to escape, quickly hopping toward the edge of the nest in a desperate bid for freedom. The mother kestrel acted swiftly. With a sharp cry, she darted forward, her talons pinning the fleeing bird firmly to the ground. Her sharp claws immobilized it as she began pecking at the bird with precision, finishing it off in moments. Her instincts guided her, ensuring the prey could no longer escape while also preparing it to be a suitable meal for her chick. Once the bird was subdued, the mother kestrel tore it into small pieces, feeding the chick in measured bites. This moment was a valuable lesson for the young kestrel, showing both the challenges of handling prey and the ruthlessness required to survive. The mother's actions exemplified the harsh but necessary dynamics of life in the wild.